Morphett Air.
G'day guys, Shane from Morphett Air here, hope you're doing well. Now in this video we are going to run you through a nice, quick and simple tutorial regarding the Panasonic CZ-RTC5 controller, wired controller. And a question we often get asked is, look, you know, I've got a ducted system at home, I just want to be able to turn the unit on you know, in so many hours, run for so long and turn off in so many hours. Nice and simple. Perhaps I want to wake up to a nice warm or nice cool bedroom, or you know, come home from work and the house is already nice and cool or warm when you get home. So this tutorial should hopefully fix that problem. Nice and simple. Let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is press the menu button here at the top right. And you'll notice there that number 4 is the off timer. So we're going to press the down arrow until we get to off timer and hit the middle enter button. And you see there we want it to, there's the off time and the on time. So we want to arrow down to on time, hit enter. And then we want to say yes to set a time. So hit the enter button. And in this case, we've got it set to come on in 2.5 hours already, but let's say we want it to come on in 4 hours, or 4.5 hours. Okay, once we're happy with that, you press on, by the way, if you want to change that, you can. Okay, so let's say 4.5 hours, and then enter. Okay, so that's set. Now we want it to, so it'll come on in 4 hours, and now we want to go and set the off timer. We'll go set. And we want it to run for, let's say, 5 hours. We'll get rid of the 30 off there, or whatever, you know, whatever time you want. Once you've hit enter, that also is set, you can see there now. And once you've done that, you can back out of there by hitting the back arrow. And you'll see the clock is there. We're good to go. So if you want to, you know, obviously change that or undo it, you can go back in to the menu, down to off timer, and you can select the on or off timer, change it back to unset. Now the off timer is the same. And that's unset as well, and that's just turning it off, so it functions as normal, and you're good. If you've got any other questions, please jump onto our channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and because that's really important for keeping up to date with any more tutorials that come out. Please like the video and leave any comments and suggestions for any other videos. So until next time, catch you later.
Morphett